Good evening. My name is Shubham Gudel, and my today's topic is a string. A string is a basically of object that represent a sequence of character value. An array of characters works as a Java. For example, char equals to j, a, v, a in Java, and string is equals to new string ch, and then output is a Java. It is a simple example of Java string. Um, Java string, Java string that provides lots of methods performs operations on a string, such as compare to, concat, uh, then split, equals, replace, length, compare to, and uh, intern substring. It is a perform serializable, comparable, and character sequence is the string implementations of three implementation. Char sequence interface. The char sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of character string. Okay, string buffer and string builder class implement it. It means create a string Java by using these um, three classes. Uh, Three classes char sequence. The first is a string buffer, and string builder. Is a three types of three way. And the Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed whenever we change any string. A new instance is created for mutable strings. Okay, you can use string buffer and string builder classes. We will classes immutable string later. Let's first understanding what is a string, what's a string is a Java, and how to create a string objects. What is a string Java? Generally, string is a sequence of a character of value, but a Java string is object that represent of sequence of characters. Okay, a string class is a create a string object. Uh, how to create a string objects? String class or string objects are two ways object create. First is a by a string literal, and second is a by um, new keyword. Okay, string literal is also used to symbol double quotes use. For example, string is equals to new string, and new is equals to welcome. String is equals to double quote shubham. It is a simple example of literal. Okay, that each time you string literal, the JVM mm, check the string constant pool. First, the string already exists to pull in a reference. The pool is in instance is an immutable string does not exist in the pool and string new instance of place, and they pull the for pool. Okay, for example, string s1 equals to double quote shubham, and string s2 equals to double quote shubham. That's does not a new string. Okay, uh, then welcome string constant pool heap memory. Okay, s1 s2, this is a welcome and string constant pool, and then heap. Okay, uh, in uh, in the above example, only one object will be created. Firstly, JVM will not find any string objects. Okay, with the value welcome in string cannot constant pull that with y, it will create a new object. Okay, that is will the string with value welcome in the pool. It will not create a new object, but will the reference to the same interface. Okay, same instance. Why Java use the concept of string literal? Okay, to make Java more memory efficient, because no new object are created if exist already in the Java constant pool. Okay, So second one is by new keyword. Okay, by new keyword is a for example, um, for the example is uh, string as equals to new string, double quote, uh, double quote, curly brackets, double quote, shubham. It is a create a new string, new keyword used in such case JVM will create a new string object, a normal non full heap memory, and a literal memory will placed in the string pool the variable reference to objects heap and non-pool. Okay, Java string example. Then Java string example. Okay, first example. Then public class string. Okay, public static void main string args and arguments, and then string s1 equals to Java, and this char ch um, yes, 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 comma, double quote, yes, comma, a, comma, v, comma, a. Okay, and then the string s2 equals to new string, and then converting s3, s3 variable that any output is the stored the s3, s3. Okay, then the create a s3 equals to new string example. Okay, that that's a object, and string, then system.println s1 sysout, system.println s2, string sysout, system.println s3. That time is a uh, output is a Java string example, then first Java, second string, and third is a example. It is a simple code. Java string class method is the use method. First method is char at index. Okay, char at index in the returns char value for the particular index. Particular index is a char at index used. Int length, it returns string length. Return a string length. That's then string format objects arguments. Okay, it is a return of formatting string. Then for one is for the static string format local as string format objects arguments. Okay, it is return formatting string with a given local. Okay, string substring being indexed.